Here's some LED NFL logo boxes that I created. Each one has LED pixels, individually addressable pixels inside, running around a 8x8 frame, kind of a shadow box frame. I bought the frames at Michael's, and I 3D printed the diffuser plate behind the logos and wired everything up with a microcontroller, ESP32. And these will just rotate all different animations using team colors, or as close to team colors as I could make. I think the dolphin one is better because it has less white, and white tends to ruin some of the effects. It just kind of looks like it lights up. So really cool. And if we zoom in on the actual logos, they are 3D printed in 3D. They're actually like coming off of the diffuser panel. So really cool. And I kind of got them just sitting here. And the Panther one, which is a gift for one of my bosses, the director, he's going to be coming down to the Panther game, so I'm making him one of these, kind of as a head-to-head NFL showdown. I may make a couple others, a couple other teams just for some of the neighbors, just because they're fun to make and fun to 3D print. So that's it.